In this video, I'll explain whether you can use XM trading with TradingView. First, open a chart on TradingView and go down to the trading panel. This is where you'll find the full list of supported brokers that can be connected directly to the platform. TradingView allows you to place trades with certain brokers straight from the chart, but not every broker is supported. Now, if you look through the broker list, you'll notice that XM trading is not included. That means you cannot connect an XM account directly to TradingView for live trading. While TradingView is great for charting and analysis, executing trades through XM has to be done on their own supported platforms. XM trading works with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So if you want to place trades with XM, you'll need to use one of those platforms, even if you're doing your analysis on TradingView. And that's the key takeaway. TradingView and XM don't connect directly. You can still use TradingView for charting and analysis, but your actual trades need to be entered on MT4 or MT5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more trading tutorials.